Hello guys, this is Modest Autos and this is Avalon 2014 model. This car came here because of noise problem and the owner called me. Modest, I'm hearing a strange noise from the steering. Please, can you fix it? I said no problem, sir. And this is my answer to someone that said, how can you know if you don't become an engineer, not a roadside or not ordinary technician? So I will answer the person now here. See, it is when you have started fixing a car that you see that other people cannot fix, a work that some other people cannot do. People now dey bring am come to you and you dey do am successfully, bro, you don become engineer automatically. Na dem go dey call you engineer, no be say na you go just dey call yourself engineer. And this is the reason, because they have tried to fix this column before, but you see the quack work wey dem do for there. They need to go and cut rubber, something wey be say that thing no too cost o, and they come go cut slippers put for that place. It's not normal. So, and they have checked the knuckle joint, so they said the knuckle joint is not making noise. So what is now making noise there? So me, I said no problem, just bring it. And I removed the quack rubber wey they put there. So I put the normal thing that is supposed to be there, so I put it. I also checked the knuckle joint, so I lose it. I check it thoroughly, because no be say you go do one, you go say hey oga, I don't forget to do other one. No, you will check everything. That is how engineer work. So again, how to debunk some two words wey people don dey circulate since. Some people used to say they use juju old motor. Oga, they no fit use juju old motor now. They say this person dey use juju dey fix car. Oga, they no fit use juju fix car now. Latest car, you can't use juju to spoil it, you can't use juju to fix it. And the second thing is that people used to say that if you do tatata or you knack inside your car, say your engine will damage or something will happen to that car, abeg. It's a lie, I swear to Almighty God. So no scientifically proven that if you knack inside your car it will be damaged. So no, it's a lie, it's just a joke. So they no wan make you dey knack for inside car, na why they tell you that thing. So I'm testing the car here, so the car is okay. This is Modest Autos once again. I love you guys.